In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make money on Clickbank as a beginner using affiliate marketing. Hey there, it's Alex with Lover Fighter Writer, and I decided to put this video together to go with a blog post that I wrote recently. This is going to be a very beginner level video, and it's going to be a very strategic video. So I'm not going to discuss a lot of specifics about like things that you can actually do to go out and make money. It's going to be more about getting things set up properly and having the right mindset. I do have a more tactical video where I show exactly how you can use products like GrooveFunnels and Aweber to start affiliate marketing today for free, and that does show you exactly what to do. So I'll have the link to that in the description, along with some other links that you might want to check out. Now, if you find this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you give it a like and subscribe to the channel, but I don't want to waste any more of your time, so let's get right into it. First of all, what is Clickbank? Clickbank is an online marketplace that focuses mainly on selling courses, software, and other digital products such as ebooks. While it's not perfect, it can be a great place to make money online. They have many products in their marketplace that are good quality and pay an affiliate commission on each sale. With Clickbank, there are many paths to monetize your blog or website or YouTube channel or other online relationships that you may have. This guide is, like I said, not about selling Clickbank products directly, not about being a vendor on Clickbank, but rather how to promote other people's products as an affiliate and make money via commissions. So why would you want to use Clickbank? Well, Clickbank may be a good option for you if you're looking for products in certain niches. Two of the biggest niches on Clickbank are weight loss and internet marketing. Internet marketing is really the only one that I promote, and there are a ton of other niches on Clickbank, but very few of them have the same depth of products and the same quality of products as health, fitness, weight loss, and internet marketing. So now we'll talk about the step-by-step guide to getting started on Clickbank. Now, the best method of making money is going to depend on what you're comfortable with, what marketing tactics you like, and what you're good at. Personally, most of the traffic that I send to my affiliate offers comes from search engines such as Google and YouTube, because I'm an SEO specialist and I like creating content. So this is what the Clickbank homepage currently looks like. And if you just come here and click on sign up, then you'll be able to create an account, and you should get an email to confirm it. And then you'll be able to start looking at the marketplace. And so once you're signed in, you'll have this top menu with this is at the very top of the screen. It'll say marketplace. You just click on that. And the best way to make money with Clickbank really is to promote affiliate products that you actually use and would recommend to a friend. So ignoring the fact that there's a commission, would you recommend this product to a friend who you want to see succeed at whatever it is that they're using it for? If not, it's probably not a good product for you to promote. It also helps if the products are in demand and not oversaturated, and you always want to look for something with a low refund rate, because otherwise you're going to be wasting your time making sales and there's just going to be a lot of refunds. In order to find a variety of products, just sign into Clickbank and go to the marketplace like I mentioned. And once you're there, you'll see a menu like this, and you can click on each of these little triangles to open it up and see the submenus, or you can just click on the name and it'll take you to all the products in that menu. And so like I was saying, I mostly focus on e-business and e-marketing. And once you click on a category, it opens up in a menu like this. And then you can go right here and you can actually sort the results in different ways. You can sort them by which one's making the most money. You can sort them by the ones that have the highest commission rate. And you can also sort them by something called gravity. And gravity on Clickbank is kind of a measurement of how many affiliates are successfully earning income using that product. So generally you don't want something with super high gravity, because that means it's going to be very competitive, but you do want something that doesn't have a gravity of 0, because if it has a gravity of 0 or like a really low gravity, that means that no one or almost no one is making money with it. And of course, you need to know how to get your affiliate links. Once you find a product that you like the looks of, hopefully something that you've actually purchased and that you've used, then you can get your affiliate links. And the neat thing about Clickbank is that a lot of products you don't actually have to apply to promote. Some of them you do, but a lot of them you just need to find them in the menu, and the listing in the menu looks like this. And then you just click on this promote button right here, and it'll open a pop-up. And in the pop-up, you can just copy a link, and that'll be your link. Or you can create special tracking links so that you can have different links in different locations on the web and track which ones are getting the most clicks so that you know where to focus your efforts more. So, how do you get started with affiliate marketing and stand out from the millions of other affiliates? Well, even though I made my first few commissions and most of my subsequent commissions via my blog, I think blogging is actually a very challenging way to get started for most people. If you want to focus on organic traffic and search engine optimization and content creation, I really recommend starting with a YouTube channel. And the reason I recommend YouTube is that it's the second largest search engine in the world after Google, which also displays results from YouTube. But YouTube is also a content distribution network. So when you create content on YouTube that's interesting to people who are on YouTube, YouTube will actively show your content to those people. It might not do a lot of that right away when you're brand new, but once you start uploading on a regular basis, once you prove to YouTube's algorithm that you're a serious creator, it is going to start showing your stuff to people who are going to be interested in it. And that makes it really easy to kind of get going and develop an audience on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Again, I realize that this is not a very tactical video. I'm not telling you exactly what to do here. I'm just sort of trying to show you the broad strokes of how to get started with Clickbank if that's something that you want to do, and what to think about as you're starting on Clickbank. If you want more specific tactical type of videos, check the links in the description for those. I do have one that's on affiliate marketing for beginners, and it shows a step-by-step process of basically everything that you need to do to set it up. I do have a whole series of videos on how to set up an affiliate marketing sales funnel on my channel. So if you just look around, you'll find those. And you can also look in the description for some products that I recommend. Again, I really appreciate it if you can subscribe to the channel and give this a like. It's very helpful in keeping this channel going. And leave me a comment if there's anything that I can help with moving forward, if there's anything that you would specifically like to see me make a video on. All right, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.